de lo que era.
Oh, ya vi. Pues ya te lo voy a comprar. Today is the 4th of July. My uncle, he visited. We're gonna actually do something today. We don't usually do anything. If someone in the family has fireworks, we usually go with them and they pop the fireworks. Last year, the neighborhood, like, you would see them here and there. And the year before that, we actually went. What did we do? Oh, I think it was at my grandma's. Like, one of my uncles had fireworks. They were just popping them and everything. And that's when the whole thing happened with my grandma's neighbor. And we're gonna go, but it's gonna be later. It's 2:48. I feel like dizzy. My head is like, and it's because I haven't anything. I put some clothes to wash and then I'm gonna put them in the dryer now. I'm gonna shower, do my makeup. Oh, actually Gustavo is washing my uncle's car. That's what you're gonna hear. Let's see if I can even right now. Let me just, clothes is ready, but my parents have clothes in the dryer. Ay, no me encontré dinero. This is your sign to always do the laundry. 2 5s, a 10. I'm gonna go take it. Okay, now I'm gonna put my clothes in the dryer. Excuse me. Thank you. I think was the one that was recording. Okay. He wants to record. I'm gonna go take a shower now, actually. ¿Quieres grabar? Oh my god, you're so funny. He wanted to, okay? I'm not putting him to be recording. He wanted to. Look at you! Me voy a bañar, bebé. Me voy a bañar. Yes, bye.
Bye.
We changed and everything. So I was still not done with the car, so I'm gonna leave my parents and I'm gonna see them over there. Blue, because it's red, white, and blue day. Me? Raise it up, Mela. Raise. Another vlogger? They already popped some over there. The little ones that, what's it called? Oh, they're watering it now? No! I didn't get it. They're gonna come out of nowhere. Me? Just waiting.
Ay, no tomé eso de ahí.
Oh, what the heck was that?
¿Cómo es que?
El buscapiés.
Buscapiés.
That scared me. Oh my god, that was so oh, sorry, I didn't know your soda was right there. Same. Oh, wow. Me too. Oh my god. I always get scared. Okay, viene paleta. Damn, it's hella smoke now. La cebollita. La cebollita está cara. How pretty. My mom. Todos van a gastar antes de que se haga oscuro. Oh, wow. ¡Mamá! Me la mía, yo like pretty. Hello, hello. Oh, she loves me. Oh, she's scared. Oh, that's what she's like.
She's scared.
Yeah. You're gonna be hearing me scream this whole video. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna try on this one.
Oh, what is that? Whoa. Ah! I thought that one was coming over here. Wow. My brother's doing one. Me.
a estar, hija? ¿Sí te gustan?
No, nunca los he probado.
Ahorita los vas a probar, hija.
Oh. Red, white, and blue.
Para toda la gente de Bellas.
Is that a drone? Yeah. Oh, see? Drone right there. What? Oh. Where was that one? That one sounded big. Oh. Québrala, québrala, québrala. Québrala, québrala, québrala. Que se hubieran caído. Naosha, creo que Naosha. No.
Yeah, you can see all of them over here.
Oh.
Look at that drone. Y'all see that cop right there?
Oh.
Watch it.
We both came.
I don't think I thought it was gonna be the only one.
Waiting. Now I'm over here in the back again. He's chilling. They don't want to come over here. This tree like covers this. Bro, we missed it.
Be careful.
Oh, look at it. Oh my gosh. Oh my, Isaac should come over here. Oh damn. Yep. Oh, they should not do that. Oh my god, they're headed over there.
I have this one.
They're gonna run it over. Ah! Isaac, pop the one side, you pop on the ground. Woo! Oh. Oh! Oh, oh.
Te lo voy a prender.
Yeah.
Pamela, you already lighted some. Fight. Get back. No. No puede. What the heck? Oh, I didn't even see him. Brr. Be careful. Common sense, okay? Oh, you picked it up. Two at a time?
Oh, that's why there was 2 at a time.
No prende?
No puede.
Bruh.
Yo creo que compraron incienso. No burns.
It's a baby. Oh shoot. Dame tu teléfono para grabar. Say my pronouns are USA.
There it goes.
Oh.
That way. Oh! That one's pretty.
Oh, wait. USA.
Damn.
Oh.
Sounded like my fart.
He's like, oh.
I'm gonna pop.
Bruh. Watch out, man. Woo! Oh, ya vi.
Yeah, like,
A silent part.
yeah.
He's scared.
Turn off my camera.
I know me too. Ah! Watch.
Come on, Victor.
The way he lights up the smallest one.
Oh!
Keep throwing. Gotta grab.
Another one? ¿La que chula? English or Spanish?
¿Poner qué es mover así?
Pues sábado de lo que era.
What the heck?
Préndele, Isaac. Préndele, Isaac.
Oh my gosh. What the heck? Chiquita pero peligrosa. Oh.
Córrele, Isaac, córrele.
I can't see if I'm recording it. Wait a minute.
Oh, okay.
No, mira. Oh my gosh, why is it coming over here? Let me go over here though.
Isaac. Bien. ¿Cómo va? Es un corte casero.
With the purse.
Yeah.
Now we're inside. I don't know why, but I thought that it wasn't recording. Like pressed on it and like it wouldn't turn on. What the fuck was going on? I seen the footage of this on my phone and it looks so nice.
Side eye.
You can see yourself, huh? ¿Quieres probar una? ¿Por qué no? Ah, you're back!
Los cumpleaños.
Here's the fresh air.
Todos están invitados para el 27 presentación de mi primer nieto que estamos esperando con alegría y gozo. Va a haber grupo, bebidas, todas aguas, cerveza. Ya no se sabe si va a ser niña o niño. Yo siento que voy a gritar muy fuerte.
I never tried that. Ah! Cheers! ¿Quieres estar conmigo, verdad? Ay, 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 mi chiquitito. Okay, guys, we are home. Ya saben, vamos a jugar. I got baby mosquitoes when he was watching my uncle's car. So glad that we're home, but you know they're gonna be popping some fireworks all night and tomorrow and the day after that. Anyway, good night, guys. So see you guys tomorrow. It's the next day. It's my brother's birthday. I actually haven't seen him, so I haven't told him happy birthday. My mom, very last minute, she told me like right away when I woke up that she's gonna do my brother a little birthday party. She already told all my family. No ayuda. Dios me preguntó. I'm gonna see what the difference is. If you know, you know. Hi, it's like 30. I'm trying to talk that loud. You know, I was taking care of him because my parents were doing the cocktail. Can you guys guess what Gustavo's doing? Like, can you just take a guess? Come on now. You should know now. I literally played. Oh my gosh.
Mira, aquí se juntaron tres.
You didn't put out. Can I choose one for you? Small mine. These two. Sandía, cocktail, pizza.
Pita.
Another one. Ah! Oh. I got my little late. ¿Quieres una? Oh, qué bonita pelota. Oh, went back. Ahí está. Ay, didn't get that.
Me remate dan 3 por 20. ¿Quieres de Gucci?
Gracias.
¿Cuánto es?
Gracias.
No, ya salió para el perrón y más.
Para John Pogotier. ¿Cómo se llama?
The fact that I always wear this shirt with anything I can find. This is under the shorts that I got for when we're gonna go to the pools, but I don't think that's gonna happen, so I'm wearing them today. Chilling. Taco Bell, you already know. Gustavo says he's getting 7-Eleven. Honestly, 7-Eleven pizza is underrated, like super underrated. It's so good. What did I get? A crunchy taco and a salad. It was so hot today. Right now it is 8 and it's 108. Tomorrow it was supposed to be 115, but I checked it like a while ago and now it says 117. But look at that. Look at all those ones. Girl, you got me fucked. Oh, my mom forgot her phone. My dad called me real quick. He's like, can you pick it up for us, please? Because mom said that she wants to make some enchiladas verdes. Oh, I love me some enchiladas verdes.
Mucha michelada verde.
We're home, guys, so you can tell from the background, from the pillow over there. Isaac wanted to come with us to the room. We got some bionic. That right there. You guys, I can't wait for the day that I move out and make like moving vlogs, moving diaries, like a whole series of like and buying stuff. Oh, I can literally just imagine myself. I didn't vlog on my circus because honestly they were just watching the game and I was just on my phone, and I would watch Friends on my phone. Yeah. And then we got the Wingstop. Big bag, big bag, big. Oh my god, he literally repeats everything. Today's Sunday, guys. We were supposed to go to the remate like very early in the morning.
Pero no nos levantamos.
Yeah, we literally slept in. I would have wanted to go, but you know, I think that things happen for a reason, you know? Today's gonna be really hot. My ear, girl. Yo ya tengo quien me quiera. Like, I was calling her. I called her like 3 times. She never answered me. And the 4th time she answered, and I'm like, oh, you guys going to our grandma's? And she was like, yeah, we're already here. Like, bruh. Just kidding. From there, we're gonna go to his mom's because, like, if you guys remember, I had said that his mom's gonna make enchiladas verdes. And I don't know if we're gonna take Isaac. That's what he was saying, but I don't know.
Por pinche fumadas, ¿no?
Look at that.
Ajá, ni en 50.
Am I in a fucking oven? Why is it so hot? And the sun is burning me already. Like, I was only out for 1 second. And guys, wear your SPF. Don't get sunburned. It's so hot. Like, I feel like I can't.
It's too hot.
We need a big fan, like, outside or something, so I can circulate the whole.
Un grandotote que cubra todo.
Shh. Whose car is that? My tia? No, my dad. Nando! What is he doing? My brother leaving. Look at that. We got baby Isaac because it is so fucking hot. We literally put this blanket right here because the sea was hot. And now we're leaving to go eat some enchiladas. Ah, tiene sueño. Oh, look at the baby. And he's on the phone. grabé el...
Una rica enchilada al bebecito. No.
Grábale ayer a la salsa,
Ya te hicimos una enchilada, pollito.
Mira, ahí está.
Dale una bebé. Chongudo, ¿quieres una enchiladita? ¿Una?
Es la pura neta, tu Isa.
Fan and everything. Una movie. Para que ya no me la quite. It was like dark. That last clips that when I was filming in the kitchen, it was so dark. I was like, why is it so dark? Like, I have it on so it's not dark. It was the ISO. It was low. Anyway, I'm gonna take a shower. Look, you guys. Right there. This right here. Or is it a Ghana? No, I don't think it is. Yeah, I'm gonna shower.
Compré un body wash.
Body wash? This shirt, it's the most comfortable shirt I own. You know who got me this shirt for my birthday like 2-3 years ago? My tia. Yeah. Shout out to her for watching this video. And I'm gonna wear with these shorts. Well, this is not a fucking review. I don't know why I am. I'll see you guys after the shower. Hi guys. Oh, today's Friday. Why am I thinking Friday? Damn, I wish it was Friday. It's Monday. I'm going to be going with my mom to the store. Yeah, it is so hot. It's literally, let me see. It's 104. Girl, today's supposed to be getting to 112. My mom kind of got mad at me because it was really late. It was like 12 something, and she was like telling me, go to sleep. I was literally calling me. Bueno.
¿No habías marcado?
No.
Ah, ok, porque no había señal.
Chulo.
Chula.
Oh, ¿por qué?
Que se vea que vas a tener.
Ah. Anyway, I don't remember what I was saying. Some bullshit probably. Yeah, I don't remember. Let me go back and watch. Okay, I was talking about how my mom got me yesterday. I needed to go to sleep, that I should be sleeping. She was up because of Isaac. I told her, well, I don't have time to edit during the day. That's why I edit at night. If I'm not editing, I'm still looking at video ideas, you know, and then maybe like a different type of video editing format. Just, it's always gonna be YouTube. Girl got me out here. There's a box of Herbalife, and we have to go to. And my mom's telling me to put it in the truck. I forgot what I was gonna say. See, I don't. So. I don't think I'm going fit. We're gonna head to Dollar Tree. We have the baby now, as you can see. We're gonna be looking for some like ice cubes. Oh, my boy loves the vanilla freaking scents.
¿Lo quieres? La banda norteña, los carros de... ¿Cuál es este, Isaac?
You want these? I can get you these. Oh, you're full of chocolate, my little baby. You know, damn, my boy. ¿Pero qué quieres agarrar? Oh, girl. No. Now we're on a hunt for some ice trays. Chulino. You always do that when we're in this section. Mira, Isaac, este huele bonito, mira. ¿Qué te gusta? He said. Okay, now let's actually go look for the ice cube tray. Oh, how cute. I was looking at the frozen section and he literally left me. Look at him. Nothing. You're taking two? Look. No, para Isaac. You don't think there's some like around here? Ah, te asustas. What you found them? Y si se quiere. Brother, salad, ranch, and bacon. Just mayonnaise. Look at the pink sauce. Gustavo's over here waiting for little tides that are so cute. Mejor ese. We have another Suavitel. Now, what are we gonna get? Jute wipes? Yeah, the downy one. Oh my gosh, there's all this. Huélele. He's like, okay.
Water repellent. Ya lo ponía hasta mi carro.
Sí. $5? I think that's a steal. They already have fall stuff. Llévate una, Isaac. Acá tu cuñado te lo va a comprar. No. Oh, these are cute. Ow. I hit my collation. Tiene feria, pero no más para él.
más para mí.
Mira lo que hay. You think it's good or you think we should get a misting one?
I don't know.
Okay, we stopped by to get some Taco Bell and I cut up right now some bell pepper. I also have to take 2 now when I eat. And I already put a movie, Spider-Man. I love Spider-Man, especially Tobey Maguire and all the Spider-Mans actually. Because I was you know where. I actually served myself like a big fucking scare me. This is what I got for myself. Like, and with these strawberry smirkers. Okay, so I guess it stands on its own. Look at that. I'm sorry guys, I haven't even vlogged. I've been taking care of Isaac because he was crying so much for like 2 days and he has been like that. Anyway, I am gonna actually end up using it. My brother got it, so it's kind of scratched up already, but it's okay. Dirt. And I'm gonna try to film a video tomorrow. I'm wearing shorts, by the way. Like, don't think I'm Nikki. Okay, so I already put down for tomorrow, which is Tuesday and Wednesday, blue. Let that dry. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. Probably gonna put it on where the mirror is at. I have no idea what that noise is. Oh, my charger fell. Oh my gosh, hold up. Oh my gosh, hold up. I didn't even tell you guys when I had gone to go weigh myself and stuff. Wait, let me show you guys actually. Well, not show you guys. I gained 0.6 ounces, or last time that I had gone was on the 24th, so that was like, was on Monday. So it has been 2 weeks since I had weighed myself. BMI went up 1 point, and my actual like body fat, I gained 0.5 and I went down on my muscle. But she did tell me, like, don't get discouraged. I haven't told anybody, like, nobody knows that I'm doing this. And of course, when I post those videos, everybody's gonna see. You guys remember how yesterday I did a little thing that I had bought and I put in what I wanted to do today? I didn't even actually end up doing it because I was up late. It's okay. I'll do it tomorrow or whenever. I can't hear from, like, I feel like I'm getting sick. I'm gonna do my makeup right now. Well, not my makeup, tinted sunscreen, because we're gonna go get some groceries because Gustavo does start working tomorrow. So it's back to those days where I wake up really fucking early. Forehead be foreheading. You don't want it to be foreheading. Oh, mi oreja está la otra tapada. What do I do?
No sé.
I'm gonna put a little bit of this blurring powder because my forehead be foreheading, like I just said. I have creases. Lip liner. I'll go without my lip liner.
One, eh?
Anyway, did my makeup already. We're gonna be leaving when the game is over, I guess. I don't know. Is this over? Going to 7-Eleven. It is so hot. It's literally 104. I'm dying out here. Ew. Tomorrow I think it's gonna be like 111 or something like that. And tomorrow Gustavo starts working. Prayers to him because he is gonna be working in the field. $2 dinner. Look at these. They're cheaper here. And the chicken. You can put the ground beef that's like in the potato. I don't know where the stove is at.
Está más grande este.
Está más grande? Look at this is what we got. We got the little chips right there. He's looking at some of the stuff.
There you go.
The bags right there. We're gonna put them in this fridge here on the outside. Oh, okay. Oh, chicken.
¿Tiene un trapo?
Gracias por sanar. Okay, we're gonna put these in this other fridge. this in here. There they are. I didn't find any ground beef at the dollar. I put his bread right here. This is the bolillo. Damn it, hello. And then the other one, he said he's gonna take the chips and these in the room. Oh, and the chicken. The first thing I'm gonna do is edit, cause girl, I have like so many videos. Bear with me, bear with me. Alright, let's get to editing. I don't even have like a minute done, bro. That's how bad. I'm gonna go get the meat because I'm gonna do the meat right now so I can have it ready for tomorrow. And also because Gustavo's hungry. Wait. I forgot it's actually in the other fridge. Stupid. Actually in this one. I don't know how I didn't remember. This big boy. Oh, actually though, I didn't get one of the other fridge because the other fridge has our tortillas. I'll be back. And I also need onion and cilantro. Onion, cilantro, tomatillos, LMAO, chili. First things first, I'm gonna peel these. Let me grab a little cazuelita. I don't know if it's gonna fit in this one. Yeah, in this one, but there's literal chan. Oh! I think I'm just gonna do it in this one. See how it goes. Put that to the side. And I'm about to put them in so then I can wash them. They barely fit enchiladas. I'm gonna do 3. Hopefully it's not too spicy. It's so tiny. Oh, I'm gonna come on. As long as they can cook. Anyway, I'm now gonna see where I'm gonna put the meat. Come on. Do it in this one or this one. I think it'll fit. It might be a little too small. Okay, we're doing this one. Oil. So I'm gonna be taking out one of this one. I think I'm gonna do this for the vegetables. Now I'm gonna put in and all the seasonings, so garlic, onion, pepper. Now we're gonna get to cutting up all the vegetables. Onion, cilantro, and just the lemon. Maybe like this much. I'm gonna edit later at night. I literally said I was gonna put it today. It's literally overflowing. Just a tad. The bottom ones are really good. You know what? Hold up. And my onions are almost gonna be done. Garlic for 2. Oh, you know, dried. I was already turned on the onion. Now I'm just waiting on this to get salsa. I haven't even tried it, but I think it's good. The meat's already ready. I literally put that already. I don't know if it's gonna want frijoles, but frijoles right there. Te lo voy a hacer burritos, pero no sabía qué querías adentro.
No saben, gracias, chula.
Oh, misters. It's because I wanted to do a pack for your hielitos and in the bag, and the bag spilled everywhere. Look at over there, that little bag right there. You see that? Yeah, and then I was trying to close it because it was kind of leaking a little bit, and then I found like all that, and that's why I'm spilled with water. See what I do for you? Look at all of that. Ni las gracias. Okay, we're gonna go to Dollar Tree. I was gonna say Family Dollar. Okay, so it's my little bag first. I'm gonna get a deodorant because I have been needing one. I've been using Gustavo's for like the past 2 days. So tomorrow I have to wake up super early. He has to be there before 5, and like it's kind of far, so I have to wake up really fucking early. Look, you see, he has all his clothes ready.
Apúrale si no te llevo a Marte.
I already felt like you were gonna do something. Let me back it up. Oh, we're here. Like it's already off. Gonna get out. Get off! Oh my gosh! Ay, wait. Oh, mom. So we were not separate ways. I'm gonna look for some ice cube trays. These literally work. How much are they though? But I don't know how much. You would have to buy like 2. You really left already. I'm gonna check my phone. Phone is over here. Yeah. Oh, which one do you want?
Mira, aloe vera. Aloe vera.
Franklin's free, ¿no? El otro
Fragrance free.
también se dice cuáles quieres.
Esas tienen más.
Yo, 56.
Pero
Dice
están más
26.
baratas.
By like 50 cents. Nah, boy. I don't know where the deodorants are. I don't know where anything's at in this one. I usually
Voy a ir
get...
acá mejor.
¿Dónde? Oh, okay. Uy, perdón.
Escoge, pues, ¿cuál va?
You put me on the guy section.
Discúlpame.
Sí, mi tápate los ojos. I like this one, to be honest. Should I get the bigger one?
Sí.
Okay, I'm gonna get this one then. I love the smell of it.
Está muy
Very
barato.
tropical. Amigo, oh my god. Damn.